Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 13, and today I want to show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So because HUAWEI isn't technically running Android anymore, we know that's all a lie, they decided to change how you enter recovery mode, and they made it much more annoying than it previously was. So now it's almost as annoying as Apple. Congratulations, HUAWEI. I couldn't think you can do any worse. So, to boot your device into recovery mode, we're first gonna hold our power button and get annoyed by this garbage. It's not intelligent enough to actually not realize that I'm trying to turn off the device. So anyway, once you turn it off, you then want to hold power button and volume up. So once the device is off, power button, volume up. Now, before I start doing this, what will happen is when you start holding them, you will see the HUAWEI logo on a screen. Once that happens, you will let go of the power button and then press it 5 times. And at the last 5th time, you're gonna hold it again. So, show that power, volume up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. So this is how you would boot this device into recovery mode. Now the rest of it is pretty simple, and just like it was before, just entering this mode has changed. So in here we have things like restart, which takes us back to the I just call it Android OS or Android for the simplicity of it. Then we have clear data, which consists of factory resetting and wiping cache partition, update mode, and safe mode. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one, and this will bring me back to the OS. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.